Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you leftover beans. So guys can see it inside the container. I put it inside the container here. So anytime I prepare this in the morning, I always put it in the fridge overnight before I would like to eat it. So guys can see it here. So if I prepare this in the morning or in the afternoon or in the night, I would like to put it in the fridge overnight so that when in the morning you take some inside and warm it and eat and enjoy it than cook it immediately and eat it. So that is why I always prepare my beans and keep in the fridge. So now I'll fresh some inside and microwave it, then you eat it. So when you prepare beans and keep it overnight and the following day you are eating it, you enjoy it because all the ingredients, the seasoning and everything all enter inside well. Then you enjoy it and the thing will be very smooth for your throat than if you cook it immediately and eat. So I prepared this one yesterday afternoon, keep it in the fridge. So this morning I want to fetch some inside and eat it as my breakfast. So if you do it, you can eat it as your lunch or your dinner. But now I want to eat it as my breakfast because I really like this where stay in the fridge overnight. So the only thing I will do now is to fetch inside. Fetch inside. I see. So now put it inside the plate. This quantity is okay for me. I'll cover the remaining one. I'll put it back in the fridge again. So this one now I'll cover it. I'll use plate or clay film, cover it and microwave it. See my microwave. Now put it inside the microwave. Now put it inside the microwave, cover it and press the button. That is 1.52 minutes. The tea will be ready. So just keep washing. So it's warm. Now open the microwave. Now bring it out. Wow, it's very hot. Now open it. Wow, so guys can see when you do it like this, if you like, soak garri inside. Soak garri inside the plate with cold water. Put your sugar or milk, anything, and mama your beans, leftover beans. As I warm it now, just dey fresh, like I just cooking it too. But now yesterday afternoon I cook it. So this is what I'll eat for my breakfast this morning. So I advise you guys to try it. Prepare your beans, put it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, bring it out and warm it and see how the taste will be. You enjoy it and you will love it. It's a short video. So so guys can see the beans. I use palm oil cook the beans, crayfish, onion, pepper, Maggi season, salt. This is what I use prepare the beans. So I want you guys to try it in your home and see it. You will love it. It's a very sweet meal. So the only thing I'll do now to balance and eat my leftover beans that are just warm. It's a very yummy and delicious meal. So try it and see. You'll love it. So that is all for leftover beans. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and comment for it. If you love this video, please don't forget to drop your comment and subscribe. So press that button. If you press the button anytime I upload video, you guys will see it, and you will follow me, and you like my day. I'm African woman. I prepare African dish. So maybe you pick one or two things there to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.